This is what you'll need to make a cream cheese Danish. 2 rolls of crescent rolls, 1/4 cup of butter melted, 1 1/2 cups of sugar, cinnamon, and 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. Hi, this is Cooking with Mrs.G, and cream cheese Danishes are on the menu. We're going to start with 2 blocks of softened cream cheese. And I'm going to put in a cup of sugar. I'm also going to put in a teaspoon of vanilla. Now I'm going to cream my cream cheese and sugar together. Okay, I have preheated my oven to 350, so I'm going to take my baking dish and I'm going to spray it with this butter flavored spray. I'm going to take one of my cans of crescent rolls and line the bottom. Just roll them out, line the bottom of the pan. I kind of pinch these little seams together. Now I'm going to take my mixture, my cream cheese and sugar mixture, and I'm going to slather them over the top. Then I'm going to put the other can of crescent rolls on top. Oh, these didn't come out like the other ones did. I'm sitting out too long. Oh, that doesn't look very pretty. It didn't roll out like the other one, but that's okay. Doesn't matter if it's pretty or not, it'll taste good. Now I'm going to take my butter and just brush it over the top. We had a little technical error and we didn't record when we thought we were recording. So what I did is I just sprinkled the 1/2 cup of sugar on top after I put the butter on, and then I sprinkled cinnamon over the top. I put it in the oven for 30 minutes, and this is our finished product. And cream cheese Danishes are what's for dessert.